Does your generator only run on gasoline? It costs too much. Today we install a 3-fuel carburetor. Now it can use 3 fuels: gasoline, LNG, and LPG. You can switch fuels anytime you want. Installation is very easy. Just replace the original carburetor directly.
First, remove the fuel tank and air filter. Then you can take off the original carburetor. Next, install our 3-fuel carburetor. Please remember to reconnect the fuel pipe and governor on when fitting the new carburetor.
This method works for most open-flame generators and inverter generators. Now we are going to test this generator.
Look here, it starts easily. Fuel switching is simple. It runs very smooth with nodes. One generator supports 3 cans of fuels.
We are YUMA-Machinery. We sell 3-fuel generators and carburetor parts in bulk. OEM and ODM are available. Message me if you need a good price.